Hey guys, my name is Christine and welcome back to Eco-Friendly Actress. On this channel I talk to you about the little things that I do to reduce waste for the planet as an actress. Today I'm going to show you how I make my own foundation powder using a few simple ingredients because I don't like having a shiny nose on camera, and I'll explain to you all the benefits and the reason why I do this. So let's go straight into the video and see how I make.
The base of this foundation is arrowroot powder. This absorbs any moisture on the skin without drying it. It also gives the skin a soft, smooth feel while brightening it. Next, I'm using cocoa powder to get the desired shade. Cocoa powder has so many skin benefits. I did a whole video about it. I'll link it at the end. It's filled with antioxidants, which slows down the aging process. It also repairs the skin, leaving it clearer. Cinnamon is used to help plump the skin, reducing any fine lines. In addition, cinnamon is antiseptic, which will kill bacteria and heals wounds faster. I only use a small amount because too much can irritate the skin. Mica powder is a natural occurring mineral and is optional. I use it because it gives the skin a healthy glow by reflecting light. It is a great choice for sensitive skin because it is non-irritating. Bentonite clay is like a healing clay with so many benefits, but here are a few. It unclogs skin pores and shrinks them, drawing out any toxins while making the skin softer. Lastly, I'm using non-nano zinc oxide, which is optional. I use it to protect against UVA and UVB rays. It is important to get the non-nano sized particles so it just sits on the surface of the skin without entering the bloodstream. Zinc oxide also prevents excessive oil from sitting on the surface of the skin. I'm using a mortar and pestle to mix everything together. I'm just mixing all the ingredients together to get the right shade. There's no real recipe because everyone has a different skin tone. I love making my own foundation powder because of all the benefits. It is inexpensive to make and has a really long shelf life because all the ingredients are dry. I can keep mine for a year or longer. I'm now filling the product in this container and I can keep reusing it. I love how it makes my skin look. It's super light, it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on your skin. Best of all, for me, it doesn't make my skin shiny, which is great for auditions.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this episode and you learned something and you're inspired to make your own beauty products. I really find it's very enjoyable to make my own because I feel accomplished that I'm doing something good for my body and the planet. So until next time, be friendly to the planet, always.